So today I'm going to show you how to make a snowflake. And so first step of making a snowflake is the material you'll need is a compass, a pencil, and scissors. So first step of making a snowflake, you take the compass, you place it right in the middle of the paper, make it as long as you want. It has to be at least more than, I'd say, the width of your fingers, your fourth finger and your thumb, okay? And you put it in the middle and you trace a circle in the paper. Second step, you cut the circle out. So I already started cutting it out because it would take too long. So I've just got to finish it. And here's your circle. After you cut the circle out, so you have to fold it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. And you have to make it perfect. So, after the 3rd fold, which I'm doing, I forgot to say I'm just a beginner at this, so if you mess up, it's not your fault. I'm not that good at it yet. So here's what it should look like after you folded it 3 times. And then you draw the designs you like. Now it's like if you want it to be perfect, you don't always have to. But what I like to do is right here on this part, you draw a little something like this. Like that. Then you draw the rest of the snowflake drawing you'd like. So, I'm going to draw it. Hold on. So this is my snowflake drawing. You can draw the same thing if you'd like, or you can draw it different. Now, people, you have to cut the inside of the snowflake, not the outside of it. Otherwise, it wouldn't be right. You have to cut the inside of the snowflake like this. You have to cut the inside where my finger is. Okay? So I'm going to start cutting the snowflake. By the way, you should always start by cutting out the little tip here that I showed you. You should never cut this part out first. Always cut this part out, the first thing, okay? And then you cut the rest of it. And you have to cut it really delicately, otherwise it could break. Snowflakes are really easy to make. When I used to be bad at making it, but now I know how to make it. My teacher taught me in school. Hold on, I'm just cutting it out. And don't use thick paper to do it. Otherwise, I tried it once in my school. It was real hard. It took me at least an hour to cut it out. so I didn't make any mistakes. I mean, if I cut real fast, I could have. It would probably have came out horrible. So, don't try using thick paper like I did. No, seriously, I mean it. So, I'm almost done cutting it. I'm cutting the other side now, as you can see. I'm sorry if this is wasting your time, people. I'm not that good at it yet, but it's gonna look good at the end. I sure hope.
It always does.
Ta-da! So when you're done cutting it, it should look like this. It should be a little more even. This is not that good. I've done other ones better like this. This is one of my perfect ones I've done. And another one of my perfect ones I've done. And here. So when you're done cutting it, you have to unfold it. And when you unfold it, you do it real delicately. When you unfold it, it should be like this. You have to push down really easy. After you unfold the first fold, it should look like this. When you unfold the second fold, it looks like this. We're getting closer to our snowflake, guys. Just be patient. Now, the third fold is the most precise one you have to do. So, actually it's not, sorry. So, after you're done doing that last fold, ta-da! You've got your own snowflake. Thank you, everyone. This is it for my video. I'm only making this one video because my mom doesn't like me making videos really. And this is my snowflake. You can watch other videos on YouTube. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And please try to make your own snowflake. It will come out better than mine, I promise.